A for apple. Apple means shape. Apple. B for ball. Ball means gend. Ball. C for cat. Cat means billy. Cat. D for dog. Dog means kutta. Dog. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. Elephant. F for fish. Fish means machli. Fish. G for grapes. Grapes mean angur. Grapes. H for hen. Hen mean murgi. Hen. I for ice cream. Ice cream mean ice cream. Ice cream. J for juice. Juice mean juice. Juice. K for kite. Kite means tongue. Kite. L for lion. Lion means share. Lion. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. Monkey. N for nest. Nest means ghonsla. Nest. O for orange. Orange means santra. Orange. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. Parrot. Q for queen. Queen means malka. Queen. R for rose. Rose means gulab. Rose. S for shirt. Shirt means shirt. Shirt. T for teddy bear. Teddy bear means bhalu. Teddy bear. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhatri. Umbrella. V for vase. Vase means buldan. Vase. W for watch. Watch means gadi. Watch. X for X-ray. X-ray means X-ray. X-ray. Y for yacht. Yacht means yacht. Yacht. Z for zipper. Zipper means zip. Zipper. वीडियो अच्छे लगे तो लाइक कर दें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। थैंक यू।